Hello mga kapitbahay, let me show you a way on how you can use the Union Bank website for you to be able to pay your Easy Trip or any other bills or kaya mga Meralco bills online para hindi na kayo mahihirapan or kaya para hindi na kayo gumamit ng mismo like your debit account. You can literally use your Union Bank credit card. And also, para hindi na rin kayo pipila every time, di ba, na magpapaload kayo sa NLEX or SCTEX or kaya Cavitex, ganun. At least this would save you time. So, what you need to do is go to online.unionbankph.com and then you go log in. So, magla-login muna ako. So, once you've logged in na, you can go to pay bills dito. Then, kung na-select mo na yan, meron na kasi akong mga biller dito na na-save para syempre hindi na ako pa ulit-ulit na mag-input ng mga card numbers. So, kung wala ka pa kasi first time mong gagamit, you may go to the biller list and then hanapin mo na dito yung mga pwede mong, or kaya babayaran mo like, ito, ganito kadami, di ba? So, for this instance, gamitin natin is yung Meralco. Saan na yun? Meralco. So, yan. Punta ka dito sa Meralco. And then, you input yung 10-digit account number mo. So, for me, it's this one. So, you click next. After that, ilagay mo magkano ilalagay mo. So, for me, lagay natin ko na 50 pesos. So, the date today, or pwede kang mamili kung kailan mo siya talaga babayaran. You can have 22 or ganyan. Basta ako, I prefer the date today. And then, click to select an account. So, lalabas dito sa gilid yung mga accounts na meron ka with Union Bank. So, for me, meron akong account sa kanila, isang debit, and then the rest are credit cards. So, ayan. So, we will be using the cashback na lang. And then, mag-appear na dyan. You click next. Yan. Then, double check kung tama ba. Pay 50 pesos. And then, OTP, of course. So, na-input ko na yung OTP. This is how it would look like. Yan. And then, magre-reflect na yan sa Meralco. I would normally keep the screenshot just in case. Though, malalag din naman yan dun sa ledger mo, yung mga pinaggastusan mo. So, minsan, and nag-email din naman siya. So, minsan hindi ko na rin siya na-screenshot and all. But, yeah, there you go. That's how you can easily pay using your Union Bank credit card or your Union Bank account. And actually, lately, nalaman ko na parang mas mabilis siya pag sa laptop ko ginagamit than yung sa app. So, ayun, super easy and super convenient lang gamitin ng Union Bank na bank. And also yung mga credit cards nila, that's the reason why isa talaga tong si Union Bank sa most favorite ko na traditional bank. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin sa kanya and ang dami mong billers na pwedeng mabayaran, unlike yung ibang other banks na kakarampot lang talaga yung mga options nila. Ito like super duper ang dami, andun na lahat ng kailangan mong bayaran. So, yun lang naman guys. I hope this video helped. Also, if you do not have a Union Bank account yet and you wanna apply for a credit card or an account with Union Bank, you may use my referral code down below. And ayun, sana makatulong. Thanks for watching. If you want more contents like this, please do like and follow.